The Miracle Ear Foundation was established in 1990 to help low-income children listen to life with the help of hearing aids. In 1991, Miracle Ear hearing aids dispensers began helping children with hearing loss whose families could not afford hearing aids.
We have a number of programs that do help individuals. Sometimes those people just fall through the cracks and cannot be helped by any other means. They don't have the resources, they don't have anyone to turn to. There's a lot of young families still don't have those resources necessary to afford good quality instruments, and an active child needs a good quality set of hearing instruments. And fortunately, the foundation is there to help fill in the gap where state programs can't.
Back in 2001, when I was asked to represent Miracle Ears Foundation as a spokeschild, it was kind of a whirlwind experience and so many firsts that trip. And it kind of set the foundation for me for what I would do lifelong. It was a big pivotal moment in my life. I have my bachelor's degree in special education. I had started out as an early childhood education major, then I switched to deaf education, and then finally settled on something that was more broad with mild to moderate disabilities, just because I knew I could help the most kids that way.
The Miracle Ear system has grown, and the needs of our communities have changed in 25 years. The Miracle Ear Foundation has evolved to address the needs to serve not only children, but also adults with a critical hearing healthcare need.
So the past year has been, I don't want to cry, it's been really rough. So we moved from Ohio to North Carolina for this dream job, and it wasn't what I thought it was going to be, so I changed jobs and that went better. And then I actually had some surgery. Then I finally get back to work, and then I'm hit head on by a semi on my way to work and total my car. So it's been a hellacious year, but it'll get better. It always does. Just gotta keep pushing through. When you first said that the foundation was gonna expand to adults, I was like, okay, that's my answer.
Miracle Ear and Miracle Ear Foundation is a collaborative effort providing time, energy, resources, and connecting our communities to hear the sounds of life. Together, we help children be successful in school. We help individuals in the workforce. We connect seniors with their grandchildren. Together, we enhance people's lives through the gift of sound.
I was unable to hear anything for many years, and when I inserted the hearing aids, life became full of wonderful sounds that I have missed and made my life complete again.
I am loving every moment I wear these new ears of mine, and thank God for Miracle Ear Foundation and for you giving me this opportunity to have these wonderful, marvelous hearing aids.
You simply can't imagine my joy when I received your letter saying I've been accepted. I thank God daily, and I thank you for this extraordinary and much appreciated gift. I will be forever grateful.
I want to thank you for your organization's assistance in obtaining a hearing aid for my mother. For the first time in many years, she was able to hear and participate in conversations with family and friends. The change in her enjoyment was remarkable.
Please put this letter somewhere where you can look at it to remind you why you're doing what you do when you're having a bad day. And please don't ever stop helping people like me.
I study at Calling College, which is right from here to Calling College, 8 minutes. And I study as my major photography. I'm still thinking if I'm taking studio photography or portrait. But I was just thinking if without this hearing aids, I just can't. As I can remember, I saw myself before as really having a hard time because I don't know, it's too much pressure, not because of the work, it's because of getting information from other people. But right now, it makes me more comfortable, and it's just keeps myself improve because I get more information, and at the same time, I'm improving myself how to communicate with other people.
Since the inception of the Miracle Ear Foundation, we have helped more than 6,000 individuals with over 10,000 hearing aids. With the support of our many donors, the Miracle Ear franchise system, and our dedicated hearing instrument specialists, this nonprofit organization continues to grow to help individuals who have exhausted all resources for their hearing health.
I'm most looking forward to just all the little noises again that I've started missing out on again, like leaves crunching and kids laughing and understanding my students. And thank you for giving me the gift of sound.